Konnichiwa. Practicing Japanese with a native speaker is one of the best ways to improve your Japanese. But did you know that there is a way to maximize your result when talking to a native speaker? In this video, I'll give you my 3 science-backed tips for how to practice speaking Japanese with native speakers. I'm Mineko Arai. I've spent the last 20 years teaching at top universities in the UK, as well as consulting for the British Foreign and Commonwealth Office, the British Museum, and companies like Sony and Deloitte. If you want more content to help you become a confident Japanese speaker, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you ever have the opportunity to talk with a native Japanese speaker, use these 3 tips and you'll improve your conversational Japanese very quickly. But if you really want to become a confident Japanese speaker, it's essential to practice speaking by yourself before talking to a native Japanese speaker. Have you already tried my 5 practice tips to sound like a native Japanese speaker? If you haven't, you'll gain confidence and be ready for speaking to a native Japanese speaker. Watch it to learn how to do it effectively. This is how I improved my English. There are 3 basic options for speaking with a native Japanese speaker: speaking with a Japanese teacher, speaking with a Japanese person, and joining a Japanese language community. If you watch to the end of the video, you'll get the info about my live learning support community. 1. Speaking to a Japanese teacher. Speaking with a highly qualified and fully experienced Japanese teacher is the best option for improving your speaking as quickly as possible. You can get customized and effective feedback appropriate for your level and your needs from someone who is both a native speaker and who is qualified in language acquisition techniques. One-on-one lessons are even better if you want completely personalized feedback. If you are a complete beginner, a 1-hour lesson might be too much. 15 minutes is an appropriate time to learn a few new expressions and get a feel for a simple question and answer style conversation. It might seem counterintuitive, but if you really want to practice speaking, group lessons are not really for you. I used to teach group lessons, but teachers in these situations cannot pay attention to everything you say because they have to listen to other students too. 2. Speaking with a Japanese person. Speaking with a Japanese person really is the most natural setting for a conversation in Japanese. You might encounter this at a shop or a restaurant. It's also the most challenging type of Japanese conversation. First of all, you need the courage to speak Japanese when you do finally get the chance. This can be a bit challenging for introverted people like me, but if you can overcome your shyness, it's a fantastic opportunity to test your skills and make a human connection. Another challenge is that they might not have experience in speaking to a Japanese language learner. They're quite often not as patient as teachers. They might not give you the right kind of feedback. And if they're a shop or a restaurant staff, they might try to speak to you using formal expression like they would with any other guest or customers. Mary Swain, a Canadian linguist who specialized in second language acquisition, created her output hypothesis after many years of research. She concluded that speaking is a great opportunity to test and become aware of the gap between your own speech and that of native speakers. To get the most out of practicing with a native speaker, Swain recommended the following key points. Say a sentence that you created. Check to see if your sentence is understood. Reflect on how you might express yourself better next time. This is the best way to improve when practicing with a native speaker. It's always important to be active and intentional when you practice, but even more when you're speaking with someone who isn't a trained teacher. 3. Joining a Japanese language community. Joining a Japanese language community is a great idea. If it's in your local area, you can make new friends. Online communities are very convenient if you want to meet people from around the world or if your schedule is very busy. You can get inspired from other learners and you'll be much more motivated than if you just study alone. It's also a great opportunity to exchange ideas and experiences. It's even better if you have a native Japanese teacher in the community to facilitate and maximize your speaking opportunities, because practicing speaking in a group setting is more challenging than one-on-one. If you do join a group, see if you feel comfortable with the atmosphere. These are my 3 tips for how to practice speaking Japanese with a native speaker. If you want to practice with a native speaker, I host a monthly live learning cafe every month. For only £5 a month, you'll get personalized feedback for anything you're struggling with in Japanese, discover new ways to improve, and communicate with other members at any time. You'll also have direct access to me and ask me anything about your learning journey. I'll answer all your questions about Japanese language, culture, and the most effective study methods for you. The next Learning Cafe is on May 31st at 9 p.m. Tokyo time, so register now to book your spot. The Learning Cafe is also included in Master Speaking Japanese Learner course. Check www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.